Hi, my name is Aisha and I am from Pakistan. I have been here for 2 years for studying MBBS in Kyrgyzstan. In the start, it will be really challenging, but now it will be a comfort zone for me to live here in Kyrgyzstan. But I think it is a part of life. If you want to get something in your life, you have to lose some relations, some emotions at your back. When you pay something, you will get something. So I got a very good experience over here. It will be a golden time for me of my life to be here in Kyrgyzstan, and it will be in my future life. It will be really helpful for me when I start my job in any other place or maybe over here. So with passage of time, I will think I will be a good physician, a good person. Because the lesson I taught over here will be really helpful for me in my future life.